Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up. And as you can tell by the title, this is a affordable wig tutorial. And if you want to get this look, then keep watching. I'm going to be using this 4x4 closure and this Remy 1B inch 14 and this wig cap. I'm going to be using this thread, needle, and I'm going to use these scissors and these pins. And I want to stretch the wig caps out because I have a pretty large size head. And this is the closure unplucked. And I want to go ahead and pluck it. This is plucked. The knots are already bleached. This is about how much I plucked out of the closure. And I'm going to go ahead and take the closure. I'm going to put it a couple inches in front of the cap. I went ahead and put the thread through the needle and tied it in a knot at the end. And I'm going to use these stick pins to hold the closure in place. Now I want to start on the outside of the lace closure, and I want to stick the needle through the lace, and I want to throw the thread over the needle and pull. So you kind of create like a knot, over and pull, just to secure the lace closure. I'm gonna do the same way on the other side. Just make your way around the lace closure. And once you're done, just tie them in a knot, double knot them. And I'm doubling my width, just so my wig can be pretty full. And here I'm doing the same thing, but as I go up, you see I'm securing it with a pin also, but as I go up, I just keep looping it through. So everything is pretty much self-explanatory throughout, just side by side. It's pretty easy. Patience is the key when you're trying to create a wig. And you're gonna pull it over and keep sewing, so I don't cut any of my tracks until I get to the top. And make sure you tie it in a knot and secure it. And here is the wig. You're gonna cut the part out where the lace closure is, and here you're just gonna style it to your liking. And I'm gonna part the closure down the middle, but you can always shift the wig from your left part, the right part, middle part. Just make sure you keep it parted down the middle. And now I'm going to take the spray bottle just to wet it. You can use any foam mousse that you prefer. And I'm going to try to mold it down by using the mousse. Kind of set the hair in place. And I'm going to move the baby hairs out the way so I can go ahead and cut the lace. And you're going to use the scissors to cut it in a zigzag motion. You can use razor or anything like that. If you can tell by the background, my greedy baby been eating, so those are her bottles in the background. Now I don't like my baby hairs too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and adjust them. We're going to cut them a little bit shorter. Now I'm going to use the foam mousse again and just set my baby hairs. You can do your baby hairs how you like them. This is just how I like my baby hairs. You don't have to have baby hairs. Some days I might not want baby hairs, so I can always just, move the baby hairs up into the hair and go baby hairless. Now that everything set in place, looking all smooth. I'm gonna take this do-rag and tie it down and set it overnight. And this is how it turned out. I went ahead and went with a middle part. And if you like videos like this, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, bye.